Hey guys, for this video, I'll teach you how to change your Twitter display settings. With this tutorial, you're going to be able to view content that Twitter has blocked out. So, let's get started. The first thing we're going to need to do is to open Twitter. And if we go to the top left corner of the screen, which is your profile icon, you will see Settings and Support. And under that, you will see Settings and Privacy. So, tap on Settings and Privacy. And you will have many options here, but we're gonna need privacy and safety. So go to that, and you're gonna see content you see, so tap on that. But as you can see, there's no option to turn on the display media. So what we're gonna do is open Safari or any other browser that you have, and then search for Twitter. Okay, now that we're in the website, go to the profile icon again at the top left corner. Tap on Settings and Support, Settings and Privacy, and now tap on Privacy and Safety. Tap on Content you see, and there you go. You see display media that may contain sensitive content. So just tap on that, and you're good to go. Simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.